So in this BTCC tutorial, I will be showing you how to deposit money into your account here on at BTCC. So once you open up the app, we'll just go to the home screen here by pressing on the home tab in the bottom left. Then once you're here at the top, there's a big blue deposit button. Go ahead and select that. If that's not there for you for whatever reason, right below in this bar, it says deposit. Either one's going to work, but I will just press the blue one for this example. It'll then go to this page right here where you can go ahead and select what option. So you can do a fiat deposit or a deposit crypto. So the fiat deposit is funding your account with USDT using your Visa or MasterCard. Or if you have crypto assets, you can deposit crypto by selecting transfer crypto from other exchanges. For this example, I will just do fiat deposits. It'll then bring it to this screen right here where you can choose a payment method. So you can go ahead and select, any of those. There's e-transfer, there's MasterCard, etc. And if this looks good to you, you can go ahead and select that. You can then do the purchase amount, the method, and then go to the bottom and select buy. And then you can proceed this way with adding money to your account. So that is how to deposit money into your account here on BTCC. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.